Hello everybody, today I have this machine. I serviced the machine about a month ago, and customer complaint is that the pump is a little bit loud and also there's not enough coffee coming from here. This machine is from Europe, so it has a transformer. The way it works, this machine is 220 volts and it converts it to 120, and then we can use it in Canada. So I'm just going to turn it on and see what she's referring to. Okay, I need to fill the water tank. Maybe I do have here something. Not enough. Okay, I'll pause the video, I'll fill the water and I'll come back. Now the machine is heating up. Once it's warm up completely, it will allow me to make one or two, actually there's three options here, from most likely just an espresso shot to half a cup to a full cup. So now it's just rinsing. The pump sounds okay for me. I don't know what they complain about, but I'm gonna open the back side and see. But so far this is just a normal operation. The spouts are actually clean. Maybe this side needs to be cleaned a little bit, but I don't think the issue with the level is the spouts. I'm gonna take a look at the back side and see if I can find anything. Alright, so now let's make a shot of espresso. Okay, the pump works great. It's just normal. I'm not sure what was the issue before, but everything, I'm not sure why every time when it comes to a shop, to my shop, everything works perfect. when at the customers, when the machine is at the customer's place, for some reason gives them lots of problems. But let's make another test with let's say medium or standard. The pump sounds good. I mean, there's no problems with the pump. It's 100% normal. That's completely normal sound. There's no problems at all with the pump. I mean, if the customer is making, let's say, 10 coffees non-stop, you know, and it's like there's like the machine is actually not resting between those between the coffees. Like if she's making, let's say, one coffee, second coffee, third coffee and fourth coffee, it might be an issue. Like the intervals, if the intervals, let's say, are, let's say if the customer is not giving the machine time to rest between each time and there's like overload, it might overload a little bit the pump and the pump will start be on the loud side. But right now, man, everything works great. And actually I want to test it because I want to show this to the customer. It works good for me. I'm just going to test one more time, let's say with the full cup, and see the size of it. So I'll do full cup. It's long coffee, and we'll see how much water coming in. Sorry, coming out. Yeah, you can see the crema, looks like good pressure, everything's good. The pump sounds really good, very good pump, like brand new. Lots of crema. Let's see, look on the side, that's all crema. I can probably play with the settings, if the water level settings, and see, but so far I'll try to replace the water level switch, the flow meter, but to be honest with you, that looks actually a good cup of coffee. Well, if we're gonna measure it, really, this is about 330 ml. So, and it's almost full. Like, I mean, what do you want the coffee to go up to here? I don't know. We'll see in the menu. But for me, the amount of crema and the amount of water coming out, it looks normal. Let's see if I can find anything here in. Next to choose functions, okay. Water hardness. Temperature. Let's see what has changed. Let's see if I change the water hardness. What's the maximum is 4. Let's do 1. And let's see. Press OK to confirm. Okay. Sounds good. So let's do 1, confirm. Let's see if it's gonna make any difference. I'm just gonna pour it out. And let's try it again. I hope there is enough water. Oh, it looks like there's enough water. I mean, I understand the concern that it's not going all the way, but I don't know the exact setup of the machine. There's no setting here. I don't see there's a setting here for amount of coffee. All what I see it's the water hardness. I don't think there is a setting for amount of coffee coming out from the machine. The pump, again, I know I repeat myself, but I do it because the pump's working really good. And you can see the amount of crema that comes out. It's like, it's amazing. Same amount of coffee, like exact same amount. I'm gonna go to the main menu again and see if I can change anything. So first option clock, second option start. Okay, let's do, for example, what we can change in start. Auto start, descale, temperature off after 2 hours, water hardness, default values no, clock. You know what, there's not even an option to set the water level here. But 2 cups, same exact amount. I mean, for me it looks like this is most likely the setup of the machine, unless I'm missing something. But and the pump for sure is good pump. I will open the back to see. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws, 6. I'm gonna open the back side and I will check. But um, I don't see any problems here. I really don't. I mean, yeah, it could be that there is a maybe problem with the flow meter. I will check now and I'll replace it and see if it's gonna make any difference, but I really don't think it's gonna make any difference. There's no setup here as well for the water level. As well, so I really don't know what can be done on this machine, but for me it looks like it's fixed. I mean, the pump is working really good. And by the way, this is an OEM part. It's as you can see here, it's 220 volts, 50-60 hertz, and 40. This is exactly brand new pump, like it was original with this Delonghi. So I got it like brand new. You can see, and actually the pump is in great condition. Now all what I want to see here is this water level flow meter. The way it works, the control board has exactly 3 levels or 4 levels for this machine, and it will pour the same exact amount for each level. So it's preset already by the control board, unless you have a setting in the touchpad, which I didn't see. So apparently all what you can do is changing the water hardness on this machine, but you can't really change the levels from what I can tell, unless there's a hidden feature that I couldn't see. Again, I'm going to ask the customer. I'm going to replace this flow meter and test it again, see if it's going to make any difference. To be honest with you, I doubt it. I don't think it's going to make any difference, but let's test it. So I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to find this flow meter. I have a bunch of them, replace it and test it again. If it's going to do the same exact amount with the new flow meter, then my hands are tied. I mean, there's nothing much I can do on this one. So give me 2 minutes. I will find the flow meter and then we can go from there. So I found a flow meter. I'm going to test it and see if this flow meter will do the trick. I'm not going to close anything. I'm just going to put it in place, put the electrical, and I'll test it one more time to see the water level, if it actually changes. If it changes, then we'll learn something new on those European styles Magnifica Pronto Cappuccino, that if you guys have problem with water level, then the issue is laying behind this flow meter. I think I might need a little bit more water, so, and I don't want to pour this in here, so let me stop the video. I'll come back and I will pour some more water in there. Another thing I want to show is those pucks. Look how packed they are. This is very good sign. That means, first of all, the piston is working great and the pump is also compressing very good. So there's no issue. Again, there's no issue here with the pump. Now I put a new flow meter inside, and now I'm going to test it and see if it's going to change the level of water. So let's turn it on. If it's not going to change, I'm just going to put this one back. I'll call the customer and she can pick it up. There's nothing much I can do on this machine anymore, but it's all fixed up. Pump's working. water level, I don't know how to really change it because there's no setting for it. And of course I don't have also the manuals. There might be something online, I never checked, but usually it's all under the menu button, and I didn't see anything. Okay, let's try it again. The reason why it gave me grinds to fine is because I replaced the new flow meter, and now it has to pump all the water in the system, so now it's going to be okay, most likely. So there was an error in the system, that's why now it should be okay. Okay, so let me try another flow meter. Okay, let's test it again. I replaced another flow meter, we'll see if it works. Okay. Okay, this one seems to be working. Now let's see the level. See, same exact level. So this is my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions, you can comment, like, and subscribe. But in this particular machine, I don't think there is a problem, and this is just the pre-setup from the manufacturer settings. If you guys have any questions, you can comment below. Thank you for watching, and take care.